All 25 CUNY campuses are celebrating CUNY Tuesday, and HOSTOS Community College is shining a light on two initiatives that are serving as resources to students.
About 33% of our students are either parents or caring for their elderly parents. While we can't really control the food market prices, we can definitely do something about really educating our students how to manage around those challenges.
With the demand of the food pantry increasing, Chef Grace Ramirez was invited to talk about her work helping feed communities.
I'm happy to share ways of how you can give back to the community and how you can get involved, because everyone needs to serve somehow. And when you serve, you find yourself, and by serving others, you get back so much more than you give.
Chef Ramirez also showed students how to prepare a ceviche, a traditional Peruvian dish.
People feel that fish is too expensive, so we're doing a ceviche so we can teach people that they can eat healthy and under a budget.
With a focus on impacting students, for Yaxeni Hernandez, a sophomore at HOSTOS Community College, there is pride in attending a school that cares about their community.
We have the privilege to be able to have this type of amenity here at a school, and I feel like all students should be using it.
HOSTOS Community College Nourishing Conversations didn't just feed guests, but also nourished minds to get active in helping support the food pantry at HOSTOS and emergency scholarship funds. Reporting for BronxNet, Jonathan Calixto.